We cannot predict disasters. Hindi natin alam kung kailan darating yan. What we can only do is to prepare. Ang scenario dito ay nagkaroon ng very strong earthquake dito sa Gulf ng Albay. Isa sa mga na-damage dito is yung AMEC Hospital, which is also a eskwelahan, medical school. So kasi na-identify yan, AMEC na yan, as one of the old structures dito sa Albay na pwedeng masira pag merong ganong klaseng earthquake. So doon tayo nag-concentrate sa kanila. Pinaka-objective talaga niyan is to raise public awareness, lalo na sa mga estudyante, kaya nga eskwelahan at the same time yung target natin para maging aware sila sa role nila during earthquake and what they should do during emergencies. And of course, ang isang objective namin dito is to determine yung aming capability at the regional and local government level dito sa Albay, kung talagang we can mobilize certain resources to respond to a particular incident, in this case, itong earthquakes.
1070, fire in progress at AMEC BCCM.
Ang initial responder dyan is yung ating BFP, yung local Bureau Fire Protection. So sila muna ang pumunta doon, and then with the City Disaster Coordinating Council.
Earthquake was in tectonic origin and dito sa ating facility sa Legazpi is intensity 7.
We are supposed to receive the advisory from PBOX. So PBOX will inform us na meron ng malaking earthquake in this area. Then of course, we have to disseminate that and then monitor kung anong mga emergencies nangyari as an option to the earthquake.
Loud and clear, sir. Helicopter with rescue team ready to take off, sir.
Roger, request ng tumawag ang OCD. Request ng dalawang squad.
So, naka-receive ako ng tawag mula sa operation. So, kailangan natin i-pull out yung DRRU team. So, paki-master sa MPH. Okay?
All members of the RRU, master at multi-purpose.
Karoon ng collab structure. And then of course, we have to employ yung mga responding teams. So kasama na dyan yung BFP, yung teams from the city, from the province, tapos yung from the Armed Forces of the Philippines. It's really a team effort. So walang Superman dito. Hindi kaya ito ng isang agency. As we have shown in this drill na it takes teamwork to make any response in a major disaster a success. It was a very successful drill, kasi for one, we were able to test our capability at the regional level at saka yung sa provincial level. Nakita nila, marami tayong na-identify na gaps. Isa dyan yung communication system namin na we really have to invest or improve on it. So, importante yan. Pangalawa, na-identify natin na there are certain equipment na kulang pa tayo dito. So marami tayong mga equipment na na-identify na dapat meron tayo para lalo na sa pag-conduct ng rescue sa mga high-rise na building. So kulang tayo kasi yung mga ladders ng mga Bureau of Fire natin dito ay maiiksi. So hindi rin makaabot sa top floor. So marami tayong mga lessons learned dito. And then of course, sa mga teams, marami din silang nakitang kakulangan sa kanila. And isa nga sa na-identify dyan is more training. And then we should organize more teams para hindi naman ma-overstretch itong mga existing teams natin na nandito kasi kulang pa. And then of course, conduct again similar drills para tuloy-tuloy yung practice kasi yun nga preparedness is really a constant practice para hindi mawala yung skills sa ating mga rescuers at yung mga bagong trends ma-apply natin at malalaman natin.